my sisters, you never hear of Emmy's Collections. This place now your one-stop shop for everything classy. Whether you dey find fine handbags wey go match your outfit, or you want fix nails wey go make your hands dey speak elegance, now here be the plug.
I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process on how you can sign up to Google Veo3 and how to start using the platform. I will also show you how to create your prompts, how to prompt your videos, and how to maintain the same character right from the very beginning of your video to the end, the same person. You want to give a like and also subscribe to this channel. So without further ado, let's just go into the practical section of this video. So I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process on how to sign up to Google Veo3 and also how to prompt your video and to maintain the right consistency. So come over to your browser and then search for Veo3, then search, wait for it to load. Then what you are going to look at is DeepMind. So okay, the first one is DeepMind. Click on DeepMind, Google DeepMind. Either you try out with Gemini or you try out in Flow. So I'm going to use Flow. I'm going to click on try in Flow. Okay, and then wait for it to load. So then once it opens to this interface, the next thing you need to click is create with Flow. So once you get to this point, the next thing that you need to do is, you can see here, you must be a Google AI subscriber to generate. Feel free to look around in the meantime. So what you need to do is for you to go ahead to click on subscribe. Okay, click on subscribe. Then you can see this is it. Upgrade to Google AI Pro for access. Then what you need to do next is for you to click on get Google AI Pro. Then agree. Once you click on agree, wait for it to load. Okay, first thing first, for you to be able to achieve this, come over to your ChatGPT. Come to your ChatGPT and then go ahead to paste your prompt, the explanation of how you want your video to be. So once you do that, just go ahead to send. You can see what I'm writing here. I want to create an advertisement video for a brand called Emmy's Collections. They sell ladies bags and fixed nails. The lady speaking should be in the shop. So I'm going to send. While I send, I'm going to wait for ChatGPT to generate the prompt. Okay, this has to do with the explanation of the video. You can see this is the explanation of the video. This is the explanation of the video. A beautiful Nigerian woman in her late 20s or early 30s, standing confidently inside a trending ladies boutique in Nigeria called Emmy's Collections. So this is the explanation of how the video should be generated by ChatGPT. So now this is the script of what the woman should say. Hello sisters, you never hear of Emmy's Collections? This place now your one-stop shop for every classic. Okay, see bags everywhere, fine original. That is the script that the woman will say. That is what the woman will say. Okay, so now for you to get what you want, come down here to copy the explanation of this video. Now once you copy the explanation generated by ChatGPT, the next thing is for you to come over to the script, copy the script, yes, what the lady is going to say. Now as at the time of making this video, Veo3 doesn't make videos that is more than 10 seconds. So for you to be able to get your videos, maybe if you want to generate 1 minute video, you have to make sure that you are copying your scripts paragraph by paragraph, maybe 2 to 3 lines, so that you can be able to achieve this. Now after everything, you can then go to CapCut or any video editing software of yours to mesh the clips. Okay, so that is that. So I'm going to copy this particular one, then I'm going to come down here. I'm going to come down here to paste. So I will paste. You can see that. Then I'm going to copy everything down here to Veo3. Okay, let's go to Veo3. Then once I get here, once you get to this point, the first thing that you need to do is for you to make sure that this settings is in text to video. Make sure that you set it to be in text to video. Okay, then also come down here to change this to one video, because when I started up I was making a mistake of this thing was already under default, it was on 3, so I ended up making a videos that come out to be maybe 3 videos in a particular paragraph, which I was actually wasting my credits. And come down here to make sure that you are selecting either Veo3 fast or Veo3 quality. You can see this one is no audio and this other one is no audio. Come down here and then paste your prompt. So once you paste your prompt, go ahead to send, then wait for it to generate. Okay, you can see this is it. Let's play to see what happens here.
Hello, my sisters. You never hear of Emmy's Collections. This place now your one-stop shop for everything classy. Hello, my sisters. You never hear of Emmy's Collections. This place now your one-stop shop for everything classy.
So that is that. Then if you want to download, just come down here to download your video. So then let's go back to ChatGPT and then so now remember, as I explained before, now for you to get the right consistency so that the person that speaks in first paragraph will still be the same person that will speak in second paragraph, will still wear the same outfits and everything, the environment should be the same. Make sure that you allow the explanation of the videos to be here. Then let me delete the first paragraph. I'm going to come over to copy like 2 lines under this script section. So once I do that, I'm going to come down here. Remember, the explanation of the video should be there so that you will not make the mistake of getting different people with different outfits and environment in your video. So I'm going to select everything and then so I'm going to copy everything, then go back to Veo3. Okay, you can see I'm back to Veo3. What I have to do is for me to paste the next prompt, then I'm going to click here to send. Okay, it's done generating. Let's see what we have here.
Whether you define fine handbags wey go match your outfit or you want fix nails wey go make your hands dey speak elegance, na here be the plug.
You can see how amazing is that. So I'm going to click here to download, click on original size, then wait for it to download. You can see downloading, you can see file downloaded. So now what I have to do is for me to go to CapCut to mesh the clips, to mesh all the clips together to come out as one video. That is how amazing it is. So I hope you've learned something from this video. Alright, we've come to the end of today's video and I hope you found it helpful, didn't you? If you did, go ahead to give a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you and see you in my next one. Goodbye.